Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a Banana Republic factory try-on haul. If you didn't catch my last video, I shared that I live very close, dangerously close to one of the largest factory outlet malls probably in the country. So I went into Express and I did a try-on haul. That was my last video. Today's video is going to be centered around Banana Republic, and then I will do an Ann Taylor. I didn't go into Loft, but if you'd like to see a video from Loft, I'm happy to do that, or any other store. Doesn't have to be outlets. Please leave your comments down below, and I will certainly get out there and do my best. I was thinking about following up these types of videos with another video where in the next video I'd be able to show you all the different ways I was able to wear, say, a pair of jeans or a dress, or maybe just picking a few pieces out of those hauls and then showing you, maybe 5 different ways to wear those pants or that top or the skirt or the dress. Let me know if that's something that would interest you. I thought maybe it would be a little bit more helpful than just the hauls themselves, where I'm showing you different ways in which I would wear it, which gives inspiration, but maybe it would be helpful for you to get a little bit more traction out of just the one way I would style it and give you some more inspiration. So those are my thoughts. Let me know if that would be helpful. Enough of all of that housekeeping stuff. Let's get into the video. Here is this taupe colored shirt dress, which you can see here has beautiful collar straight down. It has 2 front pockets with a belt, which my feelings on belt. It does have a pleat down the back running down from the top. And then it is scooped on the side. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. That's probably a little bit better. And then I just paired it with some tall boots. And I think this is one of the most perfect pieces if you're looking at dresses to get, because it transitions so well from this winter look with the tall boots, and then you can transition them out with a pair of flats or a pair of pumps. This is an all year round, for me anyway. I would wear this piece all year round. You can throw on a long cardigan with your tall boots, styling it with a long blazer. It's just one of those pieces that I feel as if doesn't have to be in everyone's wardrobe, let's face it, but I think there's a vast majority of people that could really get a lot of use out of it, and it would carry you, like I said, all year, just a matter of the way you layer it. I think it was a really great find. It was on sale for, I think this piece was newer. It was more like their spring collection, and it was like 20% off. So maybe it was like $80. I'd have to check my receipt, but I'll leave everything down below with all the details of exactly what I have and the cost, original and what I actually paid for it. Like I said, it's full buttons all the way down, and then you just have the sleeve just like you would a regular shirt. And the collar is really nice. There are no pockets, which is okay. I can wrap my arms around that a little bit, but that's the look. Next up we have this cream colored square neckline, rib detail throughout the entire dress. It does come below my knees. I have it paired with the same boots as I just had on with the last dress. It's very simple, but yet it makes a statement. I like the winter white coloring of this dress. I like that it comes below the knees. Certainly you can truly dress this up. It would be nice with the belt wrapped around it, putting on a nice, almost like maybe like a bolero jacket if you wanted to take it out for the night. I would teeter on wearing it into the office, just my own personal, but I would if I had a blazer over it. You can probably even get away with wearing this with a pair of sneakers like I showed you in my Express video, where I just had on a simple, almost same style except it was short sleeve. And I just paired it with some white sneakers, and I did throw over a sweater with it just because I wanted to show you a different way of styling. I think it has a lot of potential to wear it so many different ways. If sneakers aren't your thing, if you can't wrap your arms around wearing sneakers with the dress, I totally can appreciate that. Wear it with a pair of flats. Low booties, like even maybe a kitten heel if you can't wear true pumps 2 or 3 inches high. The footwear will certainly be something you'll have to play around with what you are comfortable with, but anybody can wear this. It's very forgiving in a lot of ways. You know, light colors are a little bit harder than, say, if this was in all black. Clearly that would be much easier to camouflage, but the cream I get is a little harder. But when it's on and with a nice self tan or a sun-kissed tan, it would look even that much better. So I have high hopes for this dress. I hope you like it. The material is not like the Express one. This has some substance to it. The quality is there. How's that? I'll leave it like that. The quality is definitely there with this dress. Okay, so here's another button-down top in more of a, maybe like a caramel color. I have it paired with their, I think these are their curvy skinny, I think is what they are. It does have some distressing here and along here. I did forget to mention that when I went into Banana, same as when I went into Express, they were having a 70% off clearance. So the first dress that I showed, the shirt dress, that was just part of their spring collection. Then the second dress was on clearance. So I believe I got that at 70%. This was 70%, and so were the jeans. So I just wanted to try them out. I think the jeans came out to like $15. I'm not really sure about the top. And then I just have it paired with some booties. Nothing special with the top. I think it's a nice color in my wardrobe. I don't really have anything this shade with just a plain button down, so I like that. It does fall pretty long, so you know it can be worn with a host of things, which will cover everything. You can belt it, you can front tie it, you can front tuck it. And the jeans I'm not so sure about. They are high-waisted, which I'm not sure. You guys can tell me what your overall thoughts are. That's the look from the back, which is not much to look at. Maybe you like it styled this way instead of long. Maybe I would probably do something like that. But I wanted to show you another way in which I had in mind to wear this. Here I threw on this sweater vest that I think I got in Target. I like it because it's long and I don't need to wear anything under it. I like the way the shirt is peeking through from behind. I could certainly tuck this in and just have it like that. I don't know, I like it peeking through, I think, a little bit better than I do tucked in, but I play around with it. I don't know if I love this. I really want just a real classic dark wash jean, and I just can't find it. Not that I knew these weren't it, but I don't know if they do anything for me. Like I said, like my belly button is sitting here, and so there's probably a good inch, maybe inch and a half above my belly buttons. I don't know, you tell me what you guys think. I don't want to say, oh, for $15 I'll keep it, because if I'm not going to wear them, then it's a waste of $15. Like, I try to get out of that mindset like I had years and years ago. Oh, it was a good deal, you know, and then I never wore it, so it wasn't such a great deal. Tell me, do you like it with the sweater vest over it? Do you like it plain? Granted, I understand it's just a plain shirt, but I like the color. I thought adding the sweater vest just, I don't want to say elevated it, because that's not what I was looking for. I think it just adds a different look to this shirt, but yet it also is a nice layering piece, especially this time of year where there's some warmth to it as well, but you're not covered in a turtleneck and long sleeves. There's just enough. So there's the completed look. Tell me what you think. Next we have this really pretty, again, I guess I'm into taupes this week, but we have this pretty taupe cable knit stitching down the front sweater that has a slit up the side, which gives a little bit more breathing room, if you would, so it's not so tight. So I like that. So this is the way it looks from the front and the back, and then the sides. Those slits on the side, I think, add a nice flow to the sweater. So that's nice. It does have a mock turtleneck. Just something really simple, but yet you can get a lot of use out of this. It does have some weight to it. It's not itchy. I would say it's a medium weight sweater. That's it. I kept the same jeans on, same booties, and here's the look. Next we have this V-neck sweater with 2 pockets in the front, ribbing on the wrist area and across the actual neckline. It comes just far enough down. I think this is a flattering length, quite frankly. For those who don't want the crop look, don't want it really long, this falls right at the hip line, and I think it is quite flattering. It came in a ton of different colors. I probably should have picked up some others because it's just one of those sweaters that it'll take you from winter to the cooler days in spring and even into summer. A nice transition piece for, quite frankly, all year round. I thought the yellow added a little pop of color. I do have it paired with some yellow pumps with some white denim. I could even see wearing this with the skirt during the summer. Here they are. I just have it with a pair of flats. Can't remember the pricing. Again, I'll leave it all down in the description box, so be sure to check that out for all the links that I can find. This is a nice little detail. I'm not walking around like this, but you know, maybe you would. So this was a nice piece. Nice little find. Tell me, do you play around with color? And if you do, are you more of a bold color or more pastel? Tell me what your color palette looks like. So next we have this black short sleeve V-neck satin feel midi length dress. I have it paired with some black knee-high boots. It's just straight down. I can't find my gold belt at the moment, but I do plan on wearing a gold belt with it just to break it up a little bit with the all black. But as you can see, it folds really nice. It does have this slit at the bottom. It's not too high. You can do so much with a simple black dress, as we know. This is the last piece. I'll try to come up a little bit closer so you can get a look at the top details. Going into spring, you can wear a pair of wedge heels with it, flats, sneakers, you know, the sky's the limit. Okay everyone, so that about does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave comments down below. Again, I always ask how you would style it differently. What pieces are you interested in trying to purchase? Keep those comments coming. I really enjoy reading them and responding to them. Thank you always for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button and the bell notification so you know when another video goes up. And until my next video, we'll see you soon. Bye.